Is that thing bouncing? Almost had a clip. Yep. It got smoked rich, yeah. Yeah. Yep. Testing hands. It's open now? Okay. I just don't like how live is in, live W. I just don't like how it doesn't have any life in it. That's the problem. It's one thing to test the bottom, but it's another thing to test the bottom and like show some signs of bouncing. So, yeah. Oh my god. Huh? What? Wait, what happened? What the hell happened? What happened? What happened? Oh my days. What happened here? You know that gif? Oh my goodness. That this thing was $24. It's $4 now. Sheesh. Wait, what the hell happened though? This thing was chilling at $24 all day today. Yesterday it was at what? $30. This thing's been chilling all week long. At the highs, and then randomly, it just got entered. Can you imagine going to the bathroom? Like, you know what? Let me go get lunch. My stock is fine. No stop loss. And then you come back and you're like, nope, I must have missed a letter. It's CCT something else. This is not the stock I'm playing with. That's crazy. Oh my goodness. I mean, it looks like it's trying to find support, but dang. Mm. I bet you this thing doesn't come back though. Because whoever does this, whoever pushes it up and pushes it back down, they know exactly what they're doing. It doesn't just happen like that. I mean, the stock doesn't have like, look at the volume. It's 2.4 million. It's not like it's moving up on two shares. So somebody has to have a lot of money and they know what they're doing for the stock to go down like that. Oh my goodness. 24 to $3. In how many candles? No thanks. You can take that and walk away. You can make it a prison. Oh my goodness. Mm. Nope. Mm. Mm. Yeah. It's halted down again. See, it's still crashing. This is why, like, you might look at something like this. Yeah. You might you might look at something like this and you're like, oh, let me go buy the discount. Imagine buying the discount at $10. Imagine buying at $5. Imagine buying at $4. It's halted at 346 now. New all-time lows. Isn't that crazy? Hmm. Hmm. Let's go. Yeah, now it opened. Yeah, exactly. Crazy, crazy. Hey, Orion. Good evening, guys. Sheesh. Oh my goodness. That's nasty. Anyways, a few names looking good here, guys. HUBC looks good. Yep, something mash. HUBC looks good. HUBC is testing the. It actually tested the highs of the day and then backed off a little bit. So we have some pretty big earnings tonight, right? So Amazon reports tonight. Apple reports tonight. Facebook reports tonight, and then yeah, some other stupid names like Skechers and stuff like that. So, but yeah, and then PEPG has actually done really well with the breakout above $12. Nice little breakout, PEPG. Slow and steady, $10 to $12. Not bad. 13. From 10 to $13. That's not bad at all. Wow, wow, wow. That was a nice double bottom at the open too. Hmm, interesting. 11. Cool. Cool, cool, cool. Good afternoon, Troy. Rusty, hello, hello, hello. Or your computer will be taken away. Smash the like, yes. Yes, 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 please. Anyways, and then TPET has been an interesting one. This one has a lot of hype in social media for some reason. TPET. TPET. A lot of hype. So maybe this could be I mean, what I like about it is that it's consolidating. What I don't like about this is that they have an S1 filing ready to go. If you look at like if you just again with these penny stocks, I will always just go onto the SEC website and look, and right there they have an S1 filing. So that's always a bit of a scary thing, isn't it? Hmm. CBL, what's your question about Nexi? So yeah, I mean, it might run after hours. We shall see. I'm gonna leave this one up. We can watch it as the day goes on. Alrighty, alrighty. M I and M. This one sold off, but it seems to be holding $5, so that's not too bad. ARQT has done really well today. I mean, it's actually consistently done well, right? From $2 all the way up to $7. That's pretty nice. We went from 4 to 3. Yeah, that's a very nice run. Who pump every garbage stock? Yup, they are. Who pump BBIG? Keep in mind. Yup, that is true. How's it looking now? It's over $15. Let me look. Yeah, no, this one's done well. So you're asking for Nexi. What's your position again? I don't remember. It's. I mean, it looks really good. It looks really good to me. The fact that it's yes, it's sold off, but then it's recovered all of that and it's green for the day. I think that's really good. Yeah, it looks weak. It looks like it's consolidating for now. Um, so yeah, yesterday Nexi hit a high of 28, and then today we hit a high of 16. Yesterday was 21. So these highs are dropping a little bit. You're in at 1180. Oh, sweet, good job. Are you planning on holding overnight, Bell? Planning on holding overnight? Yeah. I mean, so what just happened to CCTG is pretty scary, though. You should be careful, right? CCTG was at $20, $30 yesterday. Today it's at $3. Why? Nobody knows. Nobody. And it's unhalted and it's still dropping. New all-time lows. Isn't that crazy? Hmm. So you're holding overnight, okay? Well, I mean, if you're planning on holding overnight, then you just have to kind of hope that it keeps going. In this market, trust nothing. HUBC still looks okay. I like what HUBC is doing into the close actually. And what's and thrust. Oh, CCTG is bouncing. bouncing a little bit. Bouncing a little bit. We'll see. 349. It's about to skip above 350. And there it is. 360. 365. Not white. What? 365. Does it have a catalyst? No, I don't see a catalyst. I don't see any news. I just see momentum. I just see unusual volume TP. Average volume 650,000. Today 1.2 million. So the float is 1.4. Yeah, no, I just see unusual volume. What happened to any trashy penny stock? To any exactly. La, 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 to any of yeah exactly. And this is why, like, when you're playing with something that doesn't have a catalyst and it doesn't have a reason to be in the 20s in the first place, be very careful, and you should have a stop loss, right? um, have a stop loss, because I bet you, like, at some point, if you had a stop loss, that stop loss would have executed all the way up there, it's not like the stock just went to the abyss. Right? Like, it went to $24 and then it started dying. It didn't just happen. Not like, oh my goodness, but it's halted. No. Right? From 24 to 23 to 22 to 21 to 20, and still no stop loss, and then it just died after that. So to look at Nexi, okay. Yeah, I is the next resistance 20? Let me take a look. Your next resistance is closer to, like, it is not 20 though, for sure. It is not 20. I'm just looking for a better time frame here. It's all these little stupid levels below $16. Yeah, all these levels that it's failing at. Let's see. 80. Filing a non-shares were eligible to be done prior to the lockup expiration. That is months away. The volume today also isn't indicative of any big dumps. Quite baffling, but IPOs with that China connection are in. Yeah, exactly, Pablo. Yep, that's crazy. Yeah, use those stop losses, please. Why we? Agree. Agree. Yeah, no. So life needs to stay above 105. Like, it has to stay above 105. If it's not holding that level, then I really don't know what it's gonna do. Right? I was hoping that it would gain a bit of volume as the day went on, and then close above 110, like close 115, 120. That's fine. But the fact that we're still kind of playing with that same range, I mean, it's holding up, which isn't too bad. You know, are you? Did you get back in? Well, are you in this heat, or did you just get rid of it? Like, I'm still kind of tempted. Kind of tempted because they might decide to drop news. I say, oh, push it away from $1, please push it up. Right? You never know. Another thing too is I was looking at the DM. Yeah, I was looking at like some filings, and there was a lot of, like, selling. Not insiders selling. Like, it looks like insiders were buying a little bit, but then some other people were selling a lot of, like, live W. Uh, Uh, received 8 million as smart money outflow. You have 600? Okay, at 108? Yeah. You saw the insider selling? Yeah. It's like new or something, right? I still think it's interesting around that price. I'm almost tempted to swing it again overnight. There's a guy who sold a, yeah, yeah, almost tempted to hold it up, to take a brand new position since the stop loss hit on the other one. Tempted, but we'll see. We'll see closer to the end of the day. You never know. Like you wake up and it's like, oh my goodness, they dropped news at $1 because these guys know. They know that it's approaching $1 and it's approaching a triple bottom, double bottom, and it's do or die. It's do or die. New insider selling, yeah, 137, 24, yeah, yeah, yeah. Yep. Yeah, yeah, that's a lot of selling, isn't it? So, huh. People selling this close to the bottom is not a good thing, is it? Not a good thing at all. Hmm. They celebrating yeah, exactly, Troy. Exactly that video, right? Can you imagine? Can you imagine this? Where's that video? This is the video. Uh, Your stop is 104. Yeah, right. The only reason again, so like it's an interesting. I don't like the insider selling though. I don't like it. I don't know if something is something is coming. But the only reason we've talked about this is because of this, right? Again, I don't like that it's trending down like that. But look at these. Look at the last time we were at this level, right? The last time we crashed to this level, it went from $1 to $17. So that's the only hope that this thing has, right? So we'll see. We'll decide at the end. We have 30 minutes to make that decision. So anyways, it looks like a CCTG slowly bouncing here. So 3.95, almost back to $4. Tempting. Yeah, it is tempting. Also very dangerous though. Very, very dangerous. HUBC hit a new high, 184. Slow creeper. Maybe you can, yeah, maybe, yeah, especially with that sell off, yeah. And then TPET, still dipping, I guess. Still dipping. CCTG. Yeah, that's wild. That's wild. Ended early. 5% of the company outstanding ordinary shares, the effective date of 6 months from the date of closing of the offering. Yeah. Yep. Scam. Wait, they have options? Oh no, if they have options, then that's they actually do. Damn it! Damn it! Well, sheesh. Stuff like this, stuff like this, we don't like, do we? Stuff like that, we don't like. Don't like when stuff has options, you know. But then again, the option chain is pretty dead, so it's not like some special stuff is happening here. Option chain is pretty dead. To the abyss, but don't you say when exactly, Katie? Yeah, like I've said this multiple times. Like if that thing goes below 105, it's going to the abyss. That thing is gonna go and get entered so quickly. Yeah, for now maybe. Uh, the very bullish. or trying to create a liquidity on their own exits. Yeah, probably. Yeah. Yeah, I think something's gonna happen when it crashes 82% on no news. Something's going to happen. Even this trash. Yep. 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 Anyways, let me pull up. Let me pull up. So Amazon. Amazon is nice and green today. 160. Wow, almost 160. Look at that pump. Amazon. And then what does Meta look like? 450. Plug. Meta is the same. Like all these stocks are green today. I almost expect them to dip. Just by judging what judging what some of these other names did, like Google, Microsoft, they kind of dipped initially. AMD, what happened to AMD? Is AMD still green? AMD said, "You know what, guys? I'm back to 170. Who's the captain? I am the captain." Nice. Yup, crazy, crazy, crazy. No, 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 no. What is that? What is that? uh, Amazon. Rufus. Rufus? That's what Amazon is calling it. Amazon announces Rufus, a new generative AI powered conversation shopping experience. Rufus. Rufus. Doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. Dang. I didn't buy just when it was at 80. I know, right, Wes? Yeah, crazy how. I know. Yeah, exactly. I mean, if you think about it, though, it was pretty hard not to trash Meta, right? Like when we thought about Meta like a year ago, you think like when you think of Meta, it's Facebook, right? You're like Meta, Facebook. Who likes Facebook? Nobody likes Facebook. Okay, that's a problem. Okay, metaverse. Who likes the metaverse? Nobody likes the metaverse. Okay, so what's the business model? Right, that was the problem. And then they all of a sudden switched around and they have Instagram and WhatsApp. They have all these ads now, and they make lots of monies, right? So it's pretty hard to ignore that, though, isn't it? Right? Like like everybody had a reason to trash Meta because the business model wasn't. Yeah. Responsible for trashing it too. I wasn't. I was innocent. I am innocent. I did not trash it. Well, actually, yeah. No, yeah, no, yeah. But then again, we've loved it for well, not love, but you know, Instagram saves them. WhatsApp saves them. Wes. We've said that for months now. It's been like a year since we said Instagram is good. Ads are good. DP, yeah, that thing just looks. They were going to chapter 11. Forgot about Instagram and WhatsApp. Yep, 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 yep. Yeah, Facebook said you can't stop me. See, that's the thing with companies that have a lot of money is like they can always find a way to come back. We all know Facebook has monies, right? Companies like Facebook, Amazon, all these Apples, and like AMD. These companies can get destroyed, but they have money to come back. They can do whatever they want. They have like a service, they can just like all Facebook, all like Meta had to do was put on ads on Instagram and Facebook, and boom skis, $100 billion, right? Just ads. That's it. They haven't done anything new. Like Meta hasn't done anything new from like a year ago to now, except for like monetize their platforms. Yeah, it's sus. Yep, exactly, Wes. Ad revenue sus management sucks, blah blah blah. Yep, yep. Since 2012, oh my goodness. And I didn't want to buy more at 88. Still regrets. T. Well, at least you've been holding since 2012 though, so you should be nice and green. You're not a fan? Yeah, isn't he building a bunker or something somewhere? I wonder what he's what's the people just I don't know. Yeah. I'm sure there's a reason why he's doing that. Sure there's a reason. Hopefully it's not a bad reason though, because the rest of us can have bunkers. you know? The rest of us can't have it. Yeah. 20 minutes. Hawaii. Yeah. But yeah, you're up 800% on Facebook. That's impressive. Congratulations. Wow. Hmm. Beautiful. Very beautiful. Na, na, ma, na, 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 na. Do, 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 do. Ah. Almost, yeah, 12 years. See, that's the beautiful thing with like long-term investments. Oh yeah, that's right. Hopefully not. Yeah. Hopefully not. Hopefully not. Rubbish. No, it should be okay. Yeah, no, that's the beautiful thing about like long-term investments. Um, yes, it takes you 12 years to get 800%, but that's 800% though, right? That's quite nice. Plus, like you're kind of forced to save that monies, and you just keep putting it in there. Yeah. Yeah. How do people keep holding with those type of gains? I mean, I feel like once you hold for a year, Wes, you just have to get past like that first year, that first 2 years, and if you're green, Christmas. Yeah, Microsoft 35 years ago, and it's yeah, exactly right. We had a member, by the way. Look at this, look at this, right? That's someone sent me this in Discord, right? They bought Amazon. Well, this is with the split though, right? So then it bumped the price back down after they did the split. But can you imagine holding Amazon at 70 cents? That's 70 cents for Amazon. 70 cents, right? 70 cents. Amazon at 70 cents. Yeah. So crazy, crazy. I mean, some people that bought Tesla, think about buying Tesla before 2020, right? Before 2020, when they did the split, your average price was like $20. If you took a COVID check and you put it in Amazon before the split, and then Amazon did the split, your average went to $20. What's not Amazon? Tesla, right? What's Tesla at now? Tesla is 180 something, right? So from $20 to 180 something, that was COVID. So exactly, Troy. Exactly. So yeah, like it's I'm sure in like 5 years, 10 years that we're gonna be saying the same thing. Like, can you imagine if we bought this at this price? Yes, it was $300 at the time, but now it's $2,000. Wait, they did a split, so then my average is, my average is what? So that's why we want these market dips, Wes. These market dips. But it's pretty brave though. It's pretty brave um, to hold like a single stock for like that many years though. Your spouse did. My spouse got Apple in 2010. Isn't that crazy? Crazy, right? You just have to find some of these profitable companies because they can always pivot and make money and go here. Find a company with a good product that prints money. It's not one of these companies that's like, oh, but we're gonna make money. I promise. Trust me, bro. Trust me, bro. Like Mullen. I was an early investor in Mullen. Didn't work out. Trust me, bro. We're gonna make money. That's not how that works. Trust me, bro. Right? Mullen doesn't have vehicles. Well, they have vehicles. They don't sell vehicles. Well, they sell vehicles. They sell two vehicles, and then they do offerings. But like companies that like print monies. I still want to inquire about those bands. Me too, right? Not like, yeah, not speculative companies. Like companies that make money already, right? They might not be at $5 though. They might be at $50, $100, but then come back 5 years later and it's like, oh, right. Trust me, bro. Mullen, that's what Mullen said. Trust me, bro. CCTG said, trust me, bro. Trust me, bro. TPET still looks like it still maybe has that potential for after hours. We shall see. So that thing dipped to 22. Yeah, 22. About Kramer, but he does. He's been pumping AMD since $5. Team. Yeah, yeah, yep, yep. Huh. Live does say they're in finance. Do they make money though? That thing looks ugly. Like on every time frame, this thing looks ugly. Let me go to their website, Live Wallet, with data-driven solutions. Hmm. Do they make monies? This is a job for Wes. This is a job for Wes. Third quarter. So this was November 2023. La paid value of a potential blah blah blah. Increased by 100 million for a total value of 91 as of September 30, 2023. The company in recovery efforts, which includes ongoing litigation. The company la na 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 of owned by a company. The na 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 recovery department. So these guys basically knock on your door and ask for your monies. What? 3 months ended had operating losses of 130. Includes a non-cash gems, expenses, and share-based compensation. The company. These dudes. How did they lose that much money? Where did they make money then? How did they make money? Entered into a standby purchase with. Um. Yeah, but for being garbage. So total revenue of the third quarter at 440 million. Of the 9 months ended Okay, sounds good. Uh, no, 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 no. At least they didn't lose all the money they made. Na, 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 na. What? As of September 30th, cash and cash equivalents was 6.7 million. The company announced into a working. How do you make 400 million and you only have 6.7 million left? Credit agreement with consistent fund of 48 proceeds. La la la. The company additional. La 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 la. La la la. However, uncertain if work will transact on these agreements. No, it's okay. I mean, I like where the stock is at, but that's enough. Yeah, it really is. It really is. It really is played the technicals, and the technicals look pretty damn nice. I think that's what we're looking for, more reasons to like it, because the technicals are good. How the hell do you make 400 million and you only have 6.7 left? You know, like the technicals look amazing, and in most cases, the technicals win. Technicals always win. Well, let's leave it at in most cases. In most cases, the technicals win. In most cases, but yeah, yeah, I don't know. No, I did not, Virus. I did not. Uh, Down the drain, like hoping for the technicals. What people ask for. Yup, exactly. Yup. Anyways, let's see here. What else am I looking at into the close? CDIO has been a gem. Should have kept CDIO because it's actually holding up really well, and the I like what it's done. I like what it's done. I like what it's done. Mm. Would have made us all rich, John. Looks like CCTG slowly curling. Not too bad. Spy with the double top. Isn't it impressive? Like how the market just keeps recovering the way it is. Impressive, right? Impressive. Tesla's back to 188. Not too bad. Not bad at all. I like the recovery. Because yeah. Anyways. Uh. La 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 la. There you go. CNBC options actions guys are wicked smart. What are they saying? T, what are they saying? Uh, to pump the markets, James. I mean, that's what they were saying. Pretty mad. I had shares of in the 200 last year and you didn't hold Wes. Yeah, see, that's the thing with these things. I bet you if you held it from last year to this year, you're like, okay, I've been holding for a year. It's almost like you'd be like a hoarder now, like trying to sell that thing. You would fight somebody, say, nope, I'm not selling it. That's how Tesla and all these other names are. If you can hold it past a year, it's like, okay, well, there's no need for me to sell. Either you're in like crazy gains or you don't care anymore. Uh, they're gonna be tasty March. Yeah, I like how Tesla has bounced twice off that 180 level. So I think it could potentially rally from there, but could still buy Tesla lower than what I sold it for. But no, thank you. Nope. That's how people are with AMC, exactly, right? Once you hold anything for more than a year, whether it's a good company or trash company, it's pretty hard to sell it. You bought a small gamble for CCTG? Okay. Pray, 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 pray. Every Friday they propose trades and I explain them to. Okay. Let us know what you see. Like, let us know what they say. Let us know what you see. And if we can make some monies from it, that would be amazing. Yeah, emotionally tied. Yeah. I mean, the people holding Mullen. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Like I've had one-on-ones with people that are holding Mullen, and the average is $500, $100, $1,000, $10,000. Well, maybe not $10,000, but like anywhere around $1,000. Can you imagine holding Mullen and your average is $500, guys? Congratulations! Like it's not going anywhere, which is pretty sad, but yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. No, I do wish though, Yi, that this thing was, life was giving us something, like something. Because if this thing bounces from this price and squeezes to $2, you bet I'm gonna be pissed that I didn't hold it. Even if it's trash, you bet I'm gonna be pissed. Like, are you kidding me? Kidding me? Really? Kidding me? Couldn't just take the gamble? But at the same time, it's like, yeah, I don't know. You're holding it? Dang it! See now, you're friggin' holds. See, I'm very tempted, but I know it's like a crazy gamble though. Such a dangerous gamble. Oh yeah, such a dangerous gamble. What's the news feed like though? Like, what did they usually announce for news? Net loss, revenue decline. So they're losing monies left and right. Uh, yeah, but look at this though. So yeah, so the stock ran 270%. Can you imagine that thing running 270%? Yeah, maybe just watch for momentum. I think so. I think that's the best thing to do. So they dropped news in November. They dropped news in October. Compliance with when else did they drop news? How often did they drop news? Compliance. Surging. October 2023, there was like this little filing here for like 500,000 shares. Insider bought $500,000 worth of shares, announces reverse stock split. Okay, so they did the split and then insiders bought. And then the stock exploded. Yeah, so insider buying is a key factor, isn't it? To regain compliance. 1 point C. These dudes were buying it up right before it exploded from $1 to like $17. Hmm. Anyways, yeah, I think setting an alert is good. I'm going to AMC on March the 3rd. You're going to AMC like the movie to watch a movie? Okay. Yeah, no, that's good. Like, yeah, you do, Wes. You do. That's what I'm trying to do. So you can't mess with and panic sell. Yep, 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 yep. See, like I was holding this. Let me pull up a chart, okay? So I was holding a little bit of this one, right? So this was supposed to be like a long term thing, right? So then I got into this thing. Okay. Oh my goodness, I'm so pissed now. Look at this beauty. So I got into this thing at $13, right? And I'm like, okay, this is the long term account, okay? Don't touch it. Okay? Don't touch it. Do not touch. Okay? Okay. Don't touch it. Okay, okay, okay. Like, okay, deal. High five, handshake. Don't not gonna touch it. $13. $13, okay? Well, I touched it, okay? I touched it because I was like, oh my goodness, it's gonna come back down, blah, 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 blah. What is it's been green every single day since I sold it. Every single damn day. I drew a line, I drew the damn uptrend. I'm like, okay, this looks sweet. Like, this is a pretty sweet spot right there. Let me buy right there. Right? Bought right there. That was the bottom, okay? Bought at the bottom. And then I was like, oh, you know what? Maybe it's gonna come back down. Look at this damn thing. Right? Look at that damn thing. It's almost at $14 now. Pissed. Pissed. Unbelievable. Left a lot of monies on the yeah. Left monies on the table. Unbelievable. Wait, did the market just close? Yeah, the market just closed. The market just closed. So the question now is what's gonna drop news after hours, guys? Well, actually, we need to go back to Amazon. So Amazon is supposed to report, and then let me pull up Meta as well. Meta is going to be the crazy one, I feel like. These things are so high. I almost expect them to go to the abyss. But then again, and then of course, we need to have Apple on here because that's another one. So nothing is out yet, though. Right after the bell, yeah. So, yep. Let's see. Looking for the news now. Looking for the news. Oh, there goes Amazon. Amazon is pumping already. Ooh wee. Look at Amazon. Up $2.70, 2.90, $3. Oh my days. 3.50. Back down. Oh wow. This is like that initial reaction. And still go down. Meta might pull. Yeah, that's that. I think that's the concern. Like even if these companies beat, unless they're beat by like a substantial margin and good guidance, you might still see some of them struggle. Amazon though doesn't look like it's struggling, does it? Like it's pumping. Oh, yeah, Amazon is on fire. Okay, so Amazon crushed it, I guess. La 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 la. So they beat sales estimates. Income at 13 billion. Estimate. Yeah, these guys crushed it. Amazon crushed it. Like, is anybody surprised though that they crushed it? Nope. Nope. What's Apple doing? Apple is kind of pushing up, but I think it's pushing up because Amazon is going up. They haven't actually reported yet. They haven't actually reported yet. So, almost $7. Yeah, you can thank Andre, right? Prime memberships. Amazon only sells everything to everyone. Exactly. Exactly. Amazon is one of those companies that, like, you want to know the last time Amazon missed earnings? Want to know the last time? We looked at this last time too. Want to know the last time Amazon missed earnings, guys? Actually, according to this, they've missed a few times actually, but not revenue estimates though, like just EPS and like guidance. So I guess we can ignore that. But Amazon is sitting at new 52-week highs, so that's cool. That's cool. Facebook, oh, Facebook is moving a little bit. La, la, la. So again, Amazon beats earnings. Surprise, surprise. Nope. Surprise, surprise. Nope. I'm just posting these earnings here. They're all going to be in Discord in the in one of those channels. But and then here comes Meta. Um, Nothing else is reported. It's only Amazon. Everything else is just kind of having a reaction. More than they charge. Don't tell them. Yes. Yes, yes. Especially if you use it. Is coming back for Prime Video. Let's go. Let's go. So I don't see anything else yet. The only thing that's out again is Amazon. Still waiting for Apple and Facebook. Some of these dudes, Amazon. Oh, the drink. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh my goodness, Meta. Oh my days. Facebook is up. Meta is up $16, $17, $18, $19, $20, 21, 22, back to 18. These earnings have to be out. $23, 17. Damn, right? As much as we expect these companies to go down again, these are the big boys, you know? If there's anybody you expect to do well, is if there's anybody you would like maybe not bet against is one of these companies. $25. Oh wow. Facebook to start paying dividends. Oh my goodness. See? You see? You know who's smiling in the chat? T for holding us since 2020, 2010. Facebook to start paying dividends. See what happens when you have cash? That's all the market needs. Like, hey, you're paying dividends now? Uh-huh. You know what's funny is like Facebook to start paying dividends. Wow. Meta says $27, guys. It's on fire. Oh my goodness. 420. New 52-week highs, obviously. Well, actually, is it new all-time highs for this one? Oh, that thing is on fire. Dang. Facebook to start paying dividends. $28, 7%. $29. Yep. And a buyback? Isn't that crazy, Wes? Isn't that crazy? $30, $31. Yup. Meta 76. Wow, wow, wow. Look at that thing go. Good because I was going to put in puts tomorrow to play spy puts instead of the end of the day. Yes, you're lucky. My goodness, $32. Sheesh. Uh, 500 by end of the year. I mean, that's where it looks like it's going. That's where it looks like it's going. Oh my days, $32. That's crazy. Yup, they have the cash. They announce a buyback. They give you a dividend, and the stock explodes. How come Tesla couldn't do this? Because Elon is too greedy. That's why. Too greedy. See why I don't like Elon? You see why? Elon only wants more money. So it's like, oh, I want my $56 billion pay package. Give me my monies. Give me my monies. Facebook is doing a share buyback and they're giving a dividend. But so the news could check. Oh yeah, Wes, it's never like that, you know. That's yeah. Yep. Our stock is up $35 after hours. New highs. New highs. That's mad. Apple is not out yet. So I guess we're still waiting for Apple. Watch Apple announce a buyback too. Elon not building underground bunker though. Well, see, but like Mark, he's building a bunker and giving people a dividend. He's like, you know what? The times are near, the ends are near. So here you go, I'm giving you monies, and I have enough monies to build a bunker. Exactly, exactly. Elon has a that's different though, Musty. That's so different because the only one you can invest in, Musty, is Tesla, right? Honestly, if you're investing in Elon, you kind of don't want him to be all over the place. That is true. So he's taking all the monies with him, blended. Oh my goodness, $40, 10% for Facebook, guys. That thing is ripping. Meta, that thing is ripping. Damn, $42 after hours, 11%. Oh my days. Tomorrow's he says I'm gonna get Musty. That's why he wants the money. He's like, I want my 56 billion. You want to know how like I bet you like Mark Zuckerberg's like market like just value as the stock explodes like this is rising by billions. Every dollar is 10 billion. I'm kidding. I don't know what the number is. I'm sure someone knows. 30% after hours, Troy, for CCTG. Oh wow, that thing actually did move. Yeah, 38%. Wow. That was a nice gamble then. Virus was a nice gamble. It's after hour bounce. Drop like a tomato, consolidate, and then pop. Not bad. Back to Facebook though. Facebook is up 11%. Actually acknowledging West. Oh yeah, for sure. CNBC. Oh yeah. You're in at $4. Congratulations, John. Congratulations. Congratulations. $45, $46. We're gonna wake up to Meta at 500 tomorrow. Doo-doo-doo-doo. La 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 la. From 3 to 400. Yeah, it does, virus. Imagine buying some 450 calls. Some 450 calls, and then you're like, oh my goodness. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Look at CCTG go. 70%. 70. Wow. Oh my goodness. That thing said, I crashed for no reason, I pumped for no reason. I crashed for no reason. John, just become a member. Just become a member. That's it. Just become a legend member. Just become a GOATS member, John. That's it. Alrighty? Just become a member. That's it. That's a pretty nice run. So congratulations. Right? Crash for no reason from $20 to $3. And then boom skis. And now Meta still pumping, isn't it? Well, Meta is dipping a little bit, but yeah, Meta crushed earnings. When I say crush, I mean crushed. Crushed. and then announce a buyback and announce a dividend. So if you hold Meta, you officially get a dividend now, guys. You get dividends. Yeah, but he's yeah, yeah. These dudes will play too much. They were never actually gonna fight, were they? Hey, yo, Josh, how's your day? How are yous? How are yous? Yeah. Jiu-jitsu. Spy? I mean, if the markets are pumping like this, I can only imagine what the S&P is doing. Haven't looked yet, but I can only imagine. I can only imagine. Yep. Spy's back, guys. Spy's going for those all-time highs again. I did not, Josh. I did not. That thing was too scary for me, but it looked good for people that were willing to take the gamble after hours. It's actually not too bad. Wow. Yeah, virus. Yeah, looks like we're going for all-time highs again. Wow. $1,000 plus Oksana. Congratulations. Oh yeah, people are printing monies. Printing monies. Printing monies. Love it. Love it. Love it. Love it. Love it. 12% of the entire S&P exactly. Like these are all pretty big companies. So these things are pumping like this. The S&P is gonna do really well tomorrow. I can only imagine what happens as soon as futures open tonight. Virus futures. Oh my goodness. What is the dividend? I think it's what is it again? 40 cents, Wes. What is it? Um, the dividend. Um, Yeah, all in 5 contracts as soon as futures open. Long, 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 long. Long, 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 long. uh, la, la, la. On that pullback alert, pending a limit order. Okay, there you go. So 50 cents per share per quarter. Okay. Hmm. Hmm, hmm, hmm. Yup, yup. 45 minutes? No. In an hour and 45 minutes. Let's go, Troy. Congratulations. Well, okay, no, never mind. Like, there's only an hour. Like, it's only an hour of closed action. Yeah. So 24 hours open, 1 hour of closeness. So, yep. Yep, yep, yep. Yeah. Mm, mm, mm. Yes, yes, yes. Wild. So, yeah, no, congratulations. Oh, my goodness. Look at that thing go, guys. Looks like we hit $50 already in gains after hours. 12% for Meta. No, no, no. So no, so like in 45 minutes or however long. Or no, so you know what? It might actually be like an hour and 45 minutes, Musty. Uh, there you go. $48. Yeah, an hour and 40 minutes. Yeah, an hour and 40 minutes. So it's 4 p.m. my time. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, an hour. Yeah. Yeah, futures trade 23 hours, 20, 24, 23 hours a day. So an hour break. Wild. So Facebook, impressive, right? So these are their. Let me see if there's anything on here that we've missed. See if there's anything on here that we've missed. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Oh yeah, the markets are pumping. You know what I want to do, Rob? Not a one trade today. Dang, I wish I didn't take any trades on the future side. But anyways, you know what I wanted to do? Futures are gonna open up and go boom skis. Rob, put a market order as soon as before futures open. Put a market order, okay? Market before they open. Before they open, put market. It's going to fill and it's gonna go boom skis, or it's gonna gap up. And it's gonna go to the abyss. Yeah. So an hour and 40 minutes. Uh, la, 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 la. Okay, okay. Hmm. Yeah. In contracts. I mean, it depends. It depends. So you know what we should have looked at actually that we didn't look at is the fact that uh, is the fact that futures are still open. Okay, so futures are still open. Could have, yeah, right. So open for the next 40 minutes, 38 minutes, and then close for an hour. So still open, Musty. Still open. Dang it, that would have been a nice. Yeah, Rob, you should have gone all in, Rob. All in, us, all in. Prince. Now it's going to consolidate, isn't it? And then close, and then whatever happens, happens, and then we'll see. 600 West, dang. Meta is dipping now a little bit too, so but Amazon is still pumping though. Amazon also crushed earnings. The only thing that's left now is Apple. Apple hasn't reported it yet. These guys always try and be like fancy though. They always come like last. Uh, there you go. Apple. Some preference make you close early. Exactly, like top step, right? Yeah, it doesn't allow trading between. Yeah, exactly. That's the problem. So that's why I just assumed it was closed, but it's not actually closed. They just make you close it, right? And then they're back in like they come back in like an hour and whatever, right? Which is pretty stupid. But I guess maintenance, they're updating accounts, updating this. It's open for you. No, but you can't actually trade musty a virus. So that's one of the rules. Like you're not allowed to. Um, like if you look at the rules, I haven't done it, but I don't know if you can actually. But it's one of the rules. They're like, do not. They will find you, and they will change your password. Yeah. Anyways, yeah, Apple is still pumping, guys. It looks like we're gonna get some pretty nice gap ups tomorrow. The market continues to all-time highs. Markets continue to all-time highs. Sheesh. We really are gonna need something to crash the market. Powell is gone. The markets are going back to all-time highs. Earnings are coming to a close. The market is going to all-time highs. What's gonna crash the market? Nothing. There's always something though. Something that we maybe it's China versus Taiwan. Supply chain issues. You can try. It says order rejected. Oh, okay, there you go, virus. So it's gonna reject it. Biden will crash it. Yeah, like we looked at this yesterday, right? So in 2022 we had uh, what did we have again in 2022? Anyways, 2020 we had COVID. 2021 we had Russia versus Ukraine, and then 2022 we had oh yeah, I can't remember now. For some reason I'm blanking. Um, but once someone says it, it's gonna be very obvious. Um, someone remind me, please. What we had in 2020. Okay, so Apple earnings will be out in exactly 5 minutes. Okay, so they're reporting in 5 minutes, 4 minutes. Yeah, relentless Makarov. Yeah, it pretty much covers it. Yeah, that is true, Josh. That is true. We had something as an event though. Something. I guess we had like high interest rates and all these other rubbish. Yeah, we had something like it was more like specific than like an umbrella. Since yeah, a spark, violence, violence is what it is. Yeah, no, we had rubbish. La, 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 la. Yep. Anyway, so it looks like Apple is dipping. Earnings are not out yet, so still waiting for that, and then we can go take a break. Facebook doesn't care though. Like Facebook is up $53 after hours, guys. Look at this, 13%. Facebook is pumping, like it is crushing it, right? Facebook declares first cash dividend. First cash dividend. That is huge, right? The dividend equal to $2 a year. That's not too bad. That's not too bad. Yeah, that's not too bad. Yep. So Facebook is doing a share buyback. They're giving a dividend. They also crushed revenue. They also crushed earnings. I mean, they crushed it in every way. Look at the hot flame on Benzinga. They're like, hey, this deserves a flame on the right hand side. Hmm. Yup, not too bad at all. Uh, yup. There's all these articles now. 50 cents per share. La 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 la. Yeah, the rest is rubbish. I don't really. Yeah. Where is for Tesla? Tesla. Elon is too busy asking for a $56 billion pay package. That's why. Yeah. He's like, but we need to move the company to Texas because they don't want to give me my $56 billion share buyback. My bonus. Hmm. 450 musty. Yeah. It's not worth to buy now for the dividend, 50 cents on the $250. No, I mean, for most people, like it is an incentive though, right? As a longer term play, people are going to look at this now and say, ooh, okay, I want dividends. I want dividends. Elon will get it though. Yeah, he's going to get his monies. He's going to get his money. So Apple is supposed to come out any minute now. Okay. Any minute now, guys. We're sitting at 188. What does that mean? That means the stock is going to give us violence. Hey, Willie. Yeah, there are much better divvies out there. Oh, yeah, there are way better divvies out there. It's just the idea behind just giving a dividend, plus the share buyback, plus the fact that they crushed earnings, I'll go to the bathroom and lose 300. Hey, virus, at least you're only spending $50, to lose 300. Here we go. Apple just reported earnings. Apple just reported earnings. It went to 191, back to 188. Oh my goodness, Apple is confused. Apple is back to 190. Okay, 190, 190. Oh my goodness, guys. 192. It is all over the place. I'm just waiting for the we know when they're coming. I'm just waiting for the actual numbers to pop up. Apple is confused. Like it's going up, it's going down. It's back to red now. Like it's confused. The only reason Apple is staying up there is because I feel like it's because all the other names are pumping. Otherwise, this thing would be getting entered. Like it would be getting destroyed to the abyss. The only reason it has a chance is because the other ones are not crashing. Like if Facebook and Amazon were crashing, oh, this thing would be at zero. You know what I mean? Not zero, but you know what I mean? It is confused. My goodness. Confused. You got puts? Yeah, most likely those puts will get destroyed. Most likely. How long does it take for like these for this stuff to show up in the feed? Yep. Whether you're holding calls or puts, for names like Apple options, they just become like useless. Reported earnings beating expectations. There's something about this that the market doesn't like though. Earnings EPS beats expectation. Revenue of 119 billion, beating expectation. So they beat EPS, they beat revenue. The market doesn't like something about it. The market doesn't like something about it. Yep, they beat earnings. They beat earnings. Market no like something though. Market no like something. I don't see anything there yet, but there's more data in like the in Discord. If you want to know the details, like all the details are in Discord, in the stock Twitter news channel. If you want to know, all of that stuff is in there. So. Yeah, maybe that's why West revenue growth pretty weak. Yeah, maybe that's why. They were last time. Yeah, I mean it's down 1%. I still don't think this is a big deal. When you play options, you kind of need some chaos. Or it might give us chaos. What's Facebook doing? Facebook is still pumping. Oh my goodness! Look at Facebook. 14%. Like no signs of slowing down. You would think though that the market would follow the follow Apple. Let me see here. You would think that the markets like the S&P would follow like Apple instead of well, I guess there really isn't a reaction. That's because Apple really isn't crashing much. Plus the other two are holding it up. Cool. We actually did hit new all-time highs after hours. Those candles make the look terrible. They do. They do. They do, Josh. That's part of the that's part of the stream theatrics. Anyways, we're down 1.5% now. I bet you this thing is gonna find a way to recover, isn't it? No, I yes, yes, violence, meta. Candlefish, yes, you are. Yeah, Meta's up 15%, 14%, 15%. Yeah, that's impressive. It keeps rejecting my orders. Peter, that's because you're not allowed to trade. You're not allowed to trade for another hour and 26 minutes, Peter. That's the rule. So, yep, yep. You should have shorted, Gree. Yeah, not allowed to. So it's what rule? What do you mean? That's the rule for Top Step, Peter. According to them, that's the maintenance time. So you're not allowed to trade from when the market closes till when futures reopen. So that 2 hour period. So again, you have another hour and 25 minutes. But more exactly, Peter. See, that's what we were saying. We were looking, Peter. We were looking. We were looking. We were looking. Wait, even on Apex 2, you're not allowed to trade for those 2 hours, Robert? Oh, okay. Huh. Interesting. Interesting. Is gain $14 gets you that's not too bad. Yeah, the extra hour. Yeah, the extra hour is only a top step thing. To their leadership. Yes, please. You can. You can at 6. Yeah. Yeah. Tonight we go to the bridge or we go to the moon. Tonight. Virus is ready. Peter is ready. Rob is ready. Tonight we go to the bridge or we go to the moon. Anyways, nah. I should probably go to the gym early because you slackers out. Peter, I beg, let's not this moon. Oh my goodness. Peter says which moon? This is the moon where it's going up and you go along and it takes you to the opposite moon. It's like welcome. Actually, this is what happened to me today. It was going up. I'm like, yes. And it said, welcome, welcome. We have you now. Blended. Good. I'm glad someone's talking off the moon, up the bridge. Oh my goodness. Whew. Oh lordy. Virus's account got suspended. They're like, hey virus, today's day one. Suspended. Oh my goodness. No one can throw you off? Yes, exactly, Josh. Oh my goodness. $200 gold. Oh, whew. Oh my goodness. Today Vegas, tomorrow. Let's go, Wes. Come on. Let's go. Yeah, you can have a good time. Amazon is hitting testing the highs again. Facebook is hitting new highs. What's Apple doing? Apple is getting entered. Ooh, we entered. Facebook doesn't care though. Facebook is just going. Oh my goodness. Yeah, don't forget to smash a like, guys. Smash a like, hit that subscribe, all the other fun stuff. We laugh now, Peter. It's not fun though. The anger that goes through your body. Oh, lordy. Anyways. 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 Can they right now? Um, I think a lot of stuff like that is usually subject to something else. I don't know, but yeah, yeah. I bet you they're not buying at this price though. They just put a lot of they just put the money in the bucket and say, okay, over the next however many years, this is the monies we have to spend or something. So Meta doesn't produce anything, but they make a lot of money though, Oksana. Right? They make a lot of money. Think of of one of the more like successful business models. Well, maybe that's not the right way to put it. But like on every platform there's ads. On every platform there's ads. Why do you think everybody has ads? Why do you think everybody has ads? Think of like the money companies spend on ads, right? Think of like, if you look at like the budget for like Google, YouTube's, like all these big companies, like the amount of money they spend on ads, right? And the billions of people that are on Facebook, Instagram, right? All these people watching ads, right? Like they're getting all of that money, right? So yeah, they might not have also Instagram is pretty valuable. So is WhatsApp, right? But yeah, that they make money from ads. So and if you think of like all the ads that are leaving like Twitter, like people stopping promote, like all these people that are like, oh, we don't want to promote on Twitter anymore because Elon Musk is a meanie. He's a big meanie. Where's that money going to, right? That money is going to somebody else for ads. I used to sell my dog your dogs through Facebook ads. There you go. For more money lost. Blended, you need to show gratitude for something. Something. What app? Yeah, Meta produce nosy people. Well, Amazon is still going up, so Spy is catching up. Oh yeah, Spy is going for all-time highs, guys. Hi Jason. So the S&P, so all-time highs before today, 491, 491.62, right? So yup, it's going for that number. Less than 10 cents away from all-time highs. Isn't that crazy? Crazy, right? Sheesh. So Facebook and Amazon dragging the S&P to all-time highs, while Apple is trying to recover. Feel like it's recovering now because Apple is kind of bouncing back. Um, and the I think so too. I think 500 might be is the target, and then I think I think 500 is the target. And then at that level is pretty damn strong. I don't think we just cruise through that level and just say bye bye. No, I think something's gonna happen at some point this year that like we're gonna get slapped, and then eventually the markets keep going up because the markets always go up. Blended, yeah. As soon as Facebook mentioned that they're giving a dividend, that was over at that point. They're up nicely. Okay, that's nice. That is nice. So again, if you missed earnings, guys, Amazon crushed earnings. Amazon always crushes earnings, right? Exactly, Josh. Facebook also announced that they're doing a share buyback. They're giving a dividend, and they also crushed earnings. Apple beat earnings, but for some reason it's going down. I think the market just isn't like happy with guidance or revenue growth or whatever, right? So yeah, and the S&P is going for all-time highs. So all is, and look at that, we're sitting at all-time highs. Again, this doesn't really count because the market is closed. It doesn't count until the market opens and it's registered as all-time highs. This does not count, but it's at all-time highs. Yeah, Amazon 15%, probably. I mean, Amazon is going for 8% now, so impressive. Yeah, those 180 calls should print for you tomorrow. I'll blend it. Bearish? No, I mean, we just like for the markets to not pump as much as they are now because they know something's going to happen at some point and then everybody's going to panic. To make some Amazon purchases, tell her friends to come to a private account instead of using yeah, exactly, blended. Exactly. Yeah, there you go. To build more, yeah, those Bezos rockets, they seem a little bit, they seem sus, you know. They seem a little bit sus. Roma is pumping. Yeah, Roma. That is nice. That is nice. Doo, 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 doo. Anyways, any last questions, guys, before we hop off and go back to Discord and continue the party? We need to eat before. We need to eat, relax, and then futures. You know. So yeah, don't forget to smash a like, hit that subscribe if you're new, and if you're not a member yet, click the link at the bottom and become a member. Come join us in Discord. Good night, Blended. Good night. Good night. Your wife is gonna be happy. Yeah. Matisse. How do you learn futures trading? There's a video there's a futures education channel in Discord, or just ask questions in the futures channel. Skip gym and futures. Yeah. Yep. Yep. Not good, virus. Not good. Not good. You lose. Not good. Exercise is good, you know. Exercise is good. La la la. Exercise is good. La la la. So let's see here. Copy. Exercise. La, 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 la. See. Working on rockets. Looking like a tiny ant. Oh wow. Oh, cool. Very cool. So you're halfway there. Watch the video, get funded account, and join the club. Yeah. For Josh, yeah. When is Josh? Yes. Or Josh would never sleep again. Yeah, Josh would never sleep again if he did that. Between stocks, crypto, and everything else, yeah, you would. Yeah, no sleep. The only thing that I miss is the gym. There goes Facebook again, guys. Pumping. I slept. Anyways, there goes Facebook. Facebook is at new highs. New highs, guys. Oh my days. We're gonna get to 500 tomorrow. Look at that. The S&P is going for 492. Sheesh. Sheesh, sheesh, sheesh. The markets will be pumping tomorrow. Pumping tomorrow. I miss my kids. It's okay. They will understand, you know. Maybe. Anyways, shoveling a Canadian driveway is the gym. That is true. We don't have snow anymore, though. Well, there's snow, but it hasn't snowed. The weather's nice now. You wanna see the weather, guys? I do need to go outside though. I will go outside for at least a bit because it's beautiful. Oh, look at this. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Look. It was minus 40, wasn't it? Look at this. Oh my goodness. This is like the summer. Summer is coming, guys. Summer is coming. Summer is coming. You haven't been outside in 12 years. Yes. I mean, see, I don't get how we go from like minus 40. No, it's beautiful because of where like we're coming from though, Musty, right? When you go that far negative and you come back to break even, it's like, oh my goodness, I have my money back. Get me the hell out. You know? Have you ever been in a trade and you're down all your monies and then you go back to break even? It's like, yup, I want out, please. Yep. What is I don't know what the math is. It's like 37 something something something. Uh, yeah, it's 46. 46 degrees Fahrenheit. And now you Americans are gonna be like, oh, that's nothing. But also you've never been in that. That's cold. This is not cold. Yeah, this is not cold. Yeah, this is not cold. This is like go outside without a sweater on, you know? Yep. This is nice weather. I think I'm pretty sure I'm gonna like run to the gym quickly. To the gym. Hmm. Interesting. I'll freeze my hair off. Yes. I mean, you froze your hair off somewhere, Peter. Where did you go? It was Costa Rica, wasn't it? Hmm. Have you ever worn a winter jacket or boots? Yeah. I mean, Peter has to go skiing at some point, you know. So eventually, only when I went to the where to the snow. Yeah, Meta is a monster. Look at Amazon go now. Amazon is sitting at highs too. Amazon is at 52-week highs, 174. So yep, 10% less. 10%. 10%. Alrighty, fine, guys. We should probably leave it here for today. I think we've looked at. Oh my goodness! Look at Spygo. Tokyo in March. Oh wow! Tickets. You bought your tickets already? Cherry blossoms. Cherry blossoms. Tokyo. That sounds fun, Oksana. That sounds fun. You're gonna have a good time. Yeah, Amazon. You're gonna be printing tomorrow, blended. Printing. You better wake up early. Tesla is joining the party. Is it actually though? Guess it's up to 191 something. Slacker of a stock. 180 was nice though, especially since it hit that level twice. What was the bottom today for Tesla? 184? Not bad. Gap up Friday, Troy. Looking like it. It's looking like it's, that's for sure. Looking like it's. Roma? Yeah, Roma is pumping. Anyways, guys, have a wonderful evening. Much love. Be safe and dangerous. Um, See you guys in Discord. I'll see you tomorrow. Alrighty. All the other fun stuff. For some reason, my stream is not working properly, which is cool. But yeah, unless US starts war tonight against Iran, yeah, I guess. Yeah, I guess. Alrighty. We won't. Already all. Much love. Bye, guys. Bye.